Dominant describes the vertical online.
Vertical Magazine Online. I'm Brent Bergen, bringing you feature article live. Test 1, 2.
Night vision goggles have been used in the U.S. military since Vietnam, and now, more than ever, they're being used by EMS, police, and fire departments to make nighttime flying safer and easier.
Welcome to Vertical Magazine Online. I'm Brent Bergen to bring you the feature articles live. Behind me is Adam Aldis, President and CEO of Night Flight Concepts, with his night vision converted Robinson R-44 helicopter, the only one of its kind. He's been instructing students and pilots how to fly the Robinson 44 and night vision goggles for the past year.
So Adam, tell me about Night Flight Concepts.
Well, Brent, Night Flight Concepts is a total solutions provider of NVG compatible cockpit lighting configurations. We also, with Night RB technologies, we provide night vision goggle initial recurrent training, not only for professional pilots, what we do here at Palm Beach Helicopters, but also for the law enforcement and EMS community. So all in all, we're a comprehensive night vision technology solution for organizations and NVG operations.
Night Readiness, who runs or invented the virtual training board, has really played a big part in your ground school. How does that help develop your students using the VTB?
The VTB is a great virtual train board simulation of the night environment. The advantages of the virtual train board system versus the traditional physical train board system is the high fidelity and the different scenes that we can produce in a real-time environment, where you actually sit into a classroom and simulate what you're seeing night unaided, and then you put the goggles on and you see what you're seeing under NVGs. The advantages of that system is we can, by the push of a button, we can change the illumination levels, we can change our altitude levels, we can change our headings, we can change the environment. So you can go from a low contrast environment to a high contrast environment, to a snow environment, to a rainy environment, to a cloudy environment, etc., etc. The list goes on and on.
Of natural light available that is important for us to understand.
After sitting through Night Flight Concepts, ground training, and learning the ins and outs of night vision goggles, it was time to take to the air.
A lot of the students when they first start NVGs is determining what their closure rate is. They tend to want to come in too fast.
What about when the students are doing the auto rotation, that sort of thing? They have a pretty hard time on night vision goggles with that?
Well, we don't introduce NVGs until normally flight period 3 or flight period 4, at which point they normally have about 4 hours underneath the goggles. And we do them with power recoveries unless they put the aircraft in the safe landing configuration, then we'll go ahead and take it down to the ground. Okay, and we'll just take the taxi lines here, Brent. This is a good altitude, 3 to 5 feet. Back to parking.
Okay, roger. Where is parking over to the left, right?
Yeah, left front.
Flying with Adam Aldis in his NVG converted R-44, it was apparent that night vision goggles make flying at night safer and easier. With just a flip of the goggles, you're able to go from this to this.